Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Market, the educational channel about cryptocurrencies. I want to introduce you to the next-gen hardware wallet and show you its main features and security advances. The Trezor Safe 3 wallet is very secure and easy to use for everyone. The Trezor team designed a beautiful black device. A sleek, stylish, modern design perfectly complements its robust crypto armor. On the front, you find a 2-button pad and a beautiful 128x64 pixel monochrome OLED screen. When you buy it, you can choose between 4 premium colors: Solar Gold, Stellar Silver, Galactic Rose, and Cosmic Black. At the bottom, you find the USB-C connector. With the Safe 3 wallet, you can manage your crypto in Trezor Suite very easily. You can send, receive, trade, and track your coins, track your portfolio balance, and confirm every transaction directly in your device. I love this. If you want to create a new wallet, Trezor Safe 3 generates a 12-word seed by default. And if you already own a BIP39 compatible hardware wallet, you can safely recover your funds using the Trezor Safe 3. This includes 12, 18, and 24-word standard recovery seeds. In this wallet, you can store thousands of compatible coins and tokens. These are some of the main cryptocurrencies and tokens that you can store in this wallet in a totally secure way. When you buy it, in the box you will receive the Trezor Safe 3 hardware wallet, the startup guide, a USB-C cable, Trezor stickers, and 2 recovery seed cards. For security, I always recommend buying the wallet on the official Trezor site. Personally, I do not recommend buying it on platforms like Amazon because they can be manipulated and your funds can be stolen. In the description of the video, I leave you the link so you can go directly to the official Trezor store and you can make the purchase in complete safety. And always remember to check that the security seal is not damaged. If you find it wrong, do not use it and contact technical support. All Trezor devices are certified meeting all quality, reliability, and environmental standards. Trezor wallets are X-ray safe and suitable for air travel. The device material is durable plastic with hidden tilt effect, tamper-evident casing, anodized aluminum backplates, precise buttons, and intricate laser engraving. The wallet is packed with security features to keep your digital assets safe. This wallet is equipped with cutting-edge features including the Secure Element, EAL6+, and Device Entry Passphrase. It's an impenetrable security pair. To keep your funds extra safe, Trezor Safe 3 also introduced a new secure element that helps protect your device from unwarranted physical access, while staying true to the open-source design philosophy. The chip performs 2 key jobs. First, it enhances the physical security of the Trezor Safe 3 by adding a layer of safety to the pin protection mechanism. And second, it plays an important role in verifying the authenticity of your device. This clever chip gives your funds an extra layer of protection if your device is ever lost or stolen. In effect, it is a chip designed to protect highly sensitive information from software and hardware attacks. In the context of hardware wallets, what you really need to protect is your recovery seed. The trick is to design a mechanism in which the secure element doesn't learn your recovery seed, and that's what Trezor Safe 3 implemented here. Trezor do not run code on the chip itself. The secure element simply stores a secret that can be used to decrypt the recovery seed. It never actually knows what your recovery seed is. Combined with the king of security features, the Passphrase, this device provides bulletproof security for your digital assets, so you can rest easy knowing that your crypto is kept safe and sound on your Trezor Safe 3. If you are new to the world of Trezor wallets, the Passphrase is an additional password that is linked to the seed words to complement the security level of your assets. As you can see, the Trezor Safe 3 maintains the user-friendly interface that Trezor users love. Setting up your wallet, managing your assets, and accessing your accounts is as easy as ever. Whether you're a seasoned crypto user or a newcomer, you'll find the Trezor Safe 3 interface intuitive and accessible. The introduction of the Trezor Safe 3 marks a significant milestone in the world of cryptocurrency security. So stay one step ahead and protect your crypto investments with Trezor, the ultimate hardware wallet for uncompromising security. Well, my friends, that's all for this video. I hope you liked this information about this excellent wallet. I tried to make the video as clear as possible. Don't miss this opportunity to keep your cryptocurrencies safe and take advantage of its launch price. Be the boss of your financial future and get this spectacular wallet for only $79. And remember that I leave you the link in the description of this video so you can go directly to the official Trezor store to buy it. Thanks so much for the support, and don't forget subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.